Alright guys, here we are at Radway Green Level Crossing in Cheshire with Spark, Aspen Honey, 365, Jane and Calais 5.
I don't know.
Bang!
Oh, this is Radway Green Level Crossing.
Our train with the barrier 2 crew has been delayed by approximately 15 minutes.
Okay, I'm about telling the time. The time is 11:12 and this on Saturday.
And this is for our 11:16, 1 kilo 10, Eastman's train station 3 stars, which will be 15827. And 1 Tango 27 rugby crew is being delayed by approximately.
It's on my vlog!
I know that. That's my YouTube name.
It's on my vlog!
Someone said too much sugar.
I think my sister's a bit hyper today.
I can't think why. I think it'll be coming from this way.
No, Shane.
You do what I do.
Why?
No, you're supposed to do this. See how high it is. I can't fit my camera under there.
Why is that? Why do you try this?
Man, these are pretty big barriers.
Why you try this?
Why do I try it?
Yes.
So I can.
Yeah, I know, but seriously.
So there's one yod there and one yod over there. Wait.
Whoa!
Hey Shane, it was your train. It should be 777 again. 350 777 to Derby. Next stop will be Alsager. Oh, we're staying or going? Oh, we're going.
Because we're not due.
Woohoo! Thank you.
Okay.
I think he was going to.
I'm checking this video.
Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.